Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Pix.Tones back with another Lightroom mobile preset video. This time I will show you how to get more brown warm effect to your images. Without much talking, let's get started with this Lightroom mobile preset video. It is tutorial, you can like it, share it and subscribe for the future videos. First go to light section, then reduce exposure by 0.3 and then go to highlights, increase highlights by 64 points. Then go to shadows, increase it by 60 points and then go to whites, then reduce whites by 20 points and reduce blacks by 25 points. Then go to curve section, then adjust the curve like this way, but you can adjust as you like, but because it is depend on your preference. I adjust it like this, so you can play with this curve to get what you want. I think this is okay now. Then go to color section, increase temperature by 10 points and then increase tint by 10 points and reduce vibrance by 10 points. Also, you can download our free DNG file in our website www.Pix.Tones.com. Then go to color mix. In first red color, reduce hue by 40 points. Also increase luminance by 15 points. Then go to orange color, reduce saturation by 10 points. Then go to yellow, reduce hue by 100 points and increase saturation by 25 points and reduce luminance by 15 points. Then go to green color, reduce hue by 60 points and reduce saturation by 100 points and increase luminance by 10 points. Then go to cyan, reduce hue by 60 points and also reduce saturation by 100 points. Then go to blue color, reduce hue by 35 points, also reduce saturation by 100 points and increase luminance by around 5 points. Then go to purple, reduce saturation by up to 75 points, also in magenta reduce it by 75 points. Then close the color mix option, then go to effect, increase texture by 10 points, also clarity by 10 points. Also we can play with vignette, so I will use like 10 minus points. You can play with it whatever you like. Then go to detail, increase sharpness by 10 points, then increase noise reduction by 10 points, then increase contrast by 10 points, also increase color noise reduction by 10 points, then increase detail up to 60 points, also smoothness by 60 up to 60 points. So now you can see before and after image effect. So now we can see our preset. Click on create preset and then give a name. I'll name this as a faded green effect, but it's more like a warm brown effect. So I will use preset group to save this. Now it is saved. Now we can apply this saved preset into another couple of images to check how it comes. So let's apply this. Now you can see how it is effect to these images. We can see this, how this preset will work with other images. Now you can see it will create more like a warm and brown effect for your images. This preset will increase the brown color and also reduce other colors. You can get the idea with the preset. So this preset will not work with every image, but you can use for some images. Here I am applying for these different images how it comes. To check how it comes, you can get the idea now how this preset will work with the images. Let's use a couple of images. Now you got the idea how it is for the images. Now we can see all the images before and after effects. Let's see. So I hope you enjoyed this video with this video tutorial. So until we meet with our next preset tutorial, you can download this free DNG file from our website www.Pix.Tones.com. Also, if you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me in comment below. And if you like this video and give a like, also subscribe for the future videos. Until next video, peace.